Every kitchen needs a good cutting board, and every good cutting board needs to be well maintained. Through normal use and cleaning, your cutting board or any wood item you're using is going to dry out over time and need rejuvenating. You want to use a food grade mineral oil or other product made for food contact. I prefer Howard's Butcher Block oil. And what you're going to want to do is spread it evenly over your cutting board. And then you're going to take a cloth or paper towel and you spread it out over your cutting board or your wood surface. Make sure you coat everything really well. If you need to add more, add more. You want to leave excess on there so you have a nice sheen. And then we're going to let this sit for 30 minutes. All right, so I've let this sit for a half an hour. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's pretty much nothing left. It's pretty dry. Most of it's soaked in. I've got a few wet spots still. So what you're going to want to do now, if your situation is like this, you're going to want to repeat the process. If you've still got plenty of oil on the top and you have excess, just wipe it down and set your board aside. You're done. But for me, I'm going to put another coat on here and we're going to go through this process one more time, and we'll just repeat until your board is done soaking it up. It'll let you know when it's done. Okay, so basically mine's done. I got a little bit of excess here I got to wipe off, so I'm just going to rub that in, and then I'm going to put her away, let it dry completely. That's it, all done.